ළමයට පාත්තියෙත් ඌට යනවා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලලා බාත්රූම් එක අතර තියෙනවා. බස් එක ගාවට එන්න පුළුවන්.
Oh.
Look at that one.
Oh, I see.
Three. That's the three system.
Yeah, I see.
Toilet ko.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Lauren, I'm your driver off the back of the cabin here, taking you all the way down into the Jamison Valley. And we're going to have a bit of a swing as we come through these towers, everyone. Here we go. Bit of a swing. Hold on tight. Alright, so I'll point out a few things as we travel on down into the Jamison Valley. First thing is over on the valley side of the cabin, so the left-hand side, you've got our famous Three Sisters coming into view. So those three sandstone pillars you see there, they are over 14 million years old. And the tallest sister sits just below 1,000 metres above sea level. You might even be able to see the bridge which connects the first sister to the keeping it in the condition that we get to see today. And that also works with the cliff sides all around us. It stops the valley from being affected by all those strong winds and the hot summer afternoon sun that we get here as well. Casts a shadow over the valley and protects it, keeping it nice and cool. These ferns that you can see coming into station as well, they're called the rough bark tree ferns. So this species that we have down in the valley is over 10,000 years old. 10,000 years old. But the rough bark tree fern does date back all the way to the Jurassic period. So we have real...
The oldest tree species, the rough tree fern, the one with the tree with the fern on it. Yeah, sort of like this one here. So this species, up until 1994, was the oldest known species. But something happened in 1994 and they actually found another tree around the world. They said, look, we've got fossils of this tree that dates back past the rough tree fern. So that means that tree, took it as the oldest tree. He's actually in the Blue Mountain. It's named after the Wallamai National Park, one of the Blue Mountains National Parks. So basically what I'm trying to say is the top two.
Look, make a real dinosaurs like that. Yeah. Be careful, eh?
I'm not sure exactly what it'd be nice if they gave us more information than that. So if that there's Pangea, then basically, does that look kind of like this?
Teacher from so far away.
Now, as we come up over the canopy of the rainforest that you've been exploring through, out the front window, you will catch a glimpse of the Katoomba Falls, tucked in amongst those cliff sides there. Katoomba Falls, second tallest waterfall in all of the Blue Mountains. Now, if you haven't already been on the Skyway, I highly recommend it. You'll see the cable there. You are able to get up close and personal to that waterfall. You can even go for a bit of an adventure there. It's about a 5 to 8 minute walk from the East Station, so definitely do that before you head off today. We've also got our Three Sisters over on the valley side and Mount Solitary out the back window there as well. And my favourite thing to point out on the cableway trip heading back to Scenic World is this standalone sandstone villa that you'll see to the right of the cliffs we're heading towards now. That's known as
70 metres above the valley floor. So you are on the highest single span cable car horizontal in Australia. Now the valley side, don't forget the valley side on the right, Three Sisters. You can see the Three Sisters over there. Mount Solitary right out in the middle as well. That's that big flat plateau, and beautiful views right through the Jamison Valley, everyone. So representing under 2% of what we do have up here in the mountains. It's a very big area, the Greater Blue Mountains National Park. So over 11,000 square kilometres.
Hey, could you repeat that again?
Going the other way, you go right around to Echo Point and the Three Sisters. So very beautiful. So very easy, Prince Henry Cliff Walk, around the station, down the Jimber Stairs. So once you have a look around, come back to the station and just wait in the station. And we take it right hand side if you want to see the beautiful waterfall. You get it on the right and out the back windows here, as well as we travel over. So just move around too if you like. It is okay to